guys, I am Rita, and in this episode I will show you how you can record a refund that you have made to customer on Kashoo accounting software. To make a refund, or if you have made refund, to record it, you need to go to section transactions and click on add button. Here, click on income refund. Select the date when you have made refund. Select an account from which you have made refund. Select the client to whom you have refunded. Currency. Select from drop-down box if you have different currencies in your business currency. Add an amount. For example, I have £100 refunded through online course. I can also split transaction. Example, if invoice being issued to multiple revenue streams. For example, I have 100 for online course, and I also had £30 under category of online store orders. And here in notes I can add issued invoice by mistake. Okay, and click post. Okay, so it should be minus sign on both transactions. So to switch between rows, click on each box and make sure that amount is with minus sign, because this is refund. I've done so many times when I try to post refund and I always forget to put minus sign. Okay, and click post. So refund being posted to an account. So when we go to contacts, click on my customer, I can see that refund being posted on customer's account now. In this episode, I covered how you can record a refund that you have made to your customer on Kashoo accounting software. Also, I have shared the link in the description section below to my complete Kashoo accounting software tutorial. In this tutorial, I cover all sections in detail. If you have any questions or require any further advice, feel free to reach out to me.